Let's talk about the system we've inherited and why it's no longer fit for the future. The dominant model that has powered global growth for over a century is called the linear economy. It follows a simple, familiar logic. Take resources, make products, use them, and then throw them away. Take-make-waste. This system helped industrialize nations, build cities, and connect the world. It was fast, efficient, and optimized for short-term profits. But here's the catch. It was designed for a time when resources seemed infinite and waste was someone else's problem. Today we know better. Our planet is finite, yet every year we extract over 100 billion tons of raw materials. We turn these into products that often have shockingly short lifespans. Smartphones get replaced every 2 years. Clothing is worn a handful of times. Food is wasted on a massive scale. And what happens to all of it? Roughly 90% of what we produce ends up in landfills, incinerators, or as pollution in the air, water, and soil. Only about 8 to 9% of materials globally are cycled back into the economy. That's the circularity gap, and it's huge. The consequences? We're facing overlapping crises: climate change, biodiversity loss, plastic pollution, and resource scarcity. These aren't distant threats. They're here, and they're accelerating. In a linear world, every product is a dead end. Waste is built into the system. It's not just an environmental failure, it's an economic one. We're literally throwing away value. Now here's the good news. We have a better model. The circular economy asks a radical but simple question. What if waste didn't exist? What if products were designed from the start to be reused, repaired, remade, or recycled? What if we powered our systems with renewable energy and regenerated the ecosystems we depend on? In a circular model, we design out waste and pollution. We keep materials in use at their highest possible value, and we regenerate natural systems instead of depleting them. It's a shift from extraction to regeneration, from ownership to access, from short-term gain to long-term resilience. And it's not just theory, it's already happening. Businesses are redesigning products for longevity. Cities are creating circular waste loops. Farmers are building soil instead of exhausting it. And investors are waking up to the massive opportunity in circular innovation. In short, the linear model is no longer just outdated. It's a liability. The future belongs to circular thinkers, and in this course, you're going to become one of them. By the end of this journey, you'll understand how to transition away from the take-make-waste mindset and towards systems that are regenerative by design. Because the economy of the future doesn't end in a landfill. It loops, it learns, and it lasts. Let's build that future together.